Penguins. These charismatic creatures with their waddling gait and dapper plumage have captivated the hearts of people worldwide. Often associated with the icy plains of Antarctica, penguins are a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. Their torpedo-shaped bodies, dense feathers, and powerful flippers make them perfectly adapted for a life at sea. Despite their comical appearance on land, penguins are graceful and agile underwater. Their social interactions are equally fascinating, with complex courtship rituals and a strong sense of community. Penguins are found almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, with only one species, the Galapagos penguin, venturing north of the equator. Their range extends from the frigid shores of Antarctica to the warmer climates of South America, Africa, Australia, and the Galapagos Islands. Each species has adapted to its specific environment, showcasing the remarkable diversity within the penguin family. Antarctica, the coldest and windiest continent on Earth, is home to the most iconic penguin species, including the emperor and Adelie penguins. Further north, in places like South America, Africa, and Australia, penguins face different challenges. The Galapagos Islands, located near the equator, are home to the only penguin species found north of the equator. The world of penguins is a diverse one, with 18 recognized species, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. These fascinating birds have captured the hearts of many with their charming waddle and striking appearances. From the icy landscapes of Antarctica to the temperate shores of New Zealand, penguins have adapted to a variety of environments, showcasing their incredible resilience and versatility. From the majestic emperor penguin, the tallest and heaviest of them all, to the diminutive little blue penguin, standing at just over a foot tall, penguins come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The emperor penguin, towering at nearly 4 feet and weighing up to 88 pounds, is a true giant among its kind. In stark contrast, the little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest species, with a height of about 12 to 13 inches, and a weight of just 2 to 3 pounds. This remarkable range in size is a testament to the adaptability and diversity of penguins. Emperor penguins, known for their endurance and parental care, brave the harshest conditions on Earth to raise their young. During the brutal Antarctic winter, these resilient birds trek up to 75 miles to their breeding grounds, where they endure temperatures as low as -76 degrees Fahrenheit. The males take on the incredible responsibility of incubating the eggs, balancing them on their feet, and covering them with a flap of skin called a brood pouch. For over 2 months, they huddle together for warmth, fasting and enduring the relentless cold until the chicks hatch. Adelie penguins, smaller and more agile, are known for their playful nature and synchronized swimming displays. These energetic birds are often seen tobogganing on their bellies across the ice, using their flippers to propel themselves forward. In the water, they are graceful and coordinated, often swimming in groups and performing intricate maneuvers. Their playful antics and social behavior make them a delight to observe. Gentoo penguins, with their bright orange beaks and white patches above their eyes, are found in the Antarctic Peninsula and surrounding islands. These distinctive features make them easily recognizable among other penguin species. Gentoos are also known for their impressive speed in the water, reaching up to 22 miles per hour, making them the fastest swimming penguins. Their nests, built from stones, are often fiercely defended, and they are known to engage in pebble stealing from neighboring nests to enhance their own. Chinstrap penguins, named for the thin black band beneath their beaks, are easily recognizable and known for their aggressive behavior. These feisty birds are often seen squabbling over territory and mates, using their sharp beaks and flippers to assert dominance. Despite their small size, they are fearless and determined, often taking on much larger adversaries. Their colonies, found on the rocky shores of the Antarctic and subantarctic islands, are bustling with activity and constant commotion. Each penguin species has its own unique story to tell, a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. Over millions of years, penguins have evolved to thrive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Their specialized feathers provide insulation and waterproofing, while their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them expert swimmers. From the tropical Galapagos penguin, which has adapted to warmer climates, to the ice-dwelling emperor penguin, each species showcases the incredible diversity and adaptability of these remarkable birds. Through their unique behaviors, physical adaptations, and survival strategies, penguins continue to captivate and inspire us, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of the natural world. A penguin's life is a constant cycle of feeding, breeding, and raising young, all set against the backdrop of a challenging and ever-changing environment. As dawn breaks, penguins begin their day by leaving the relative safety of their colonies and heading out to sea in search of food. They may travel considerable distances, sometimes hundreds of miles, to reach their feeding grounds. Once there, they dive deep into the ocean, using their powerful flippers to propel themselves through the water with remarkable agility. After a successful hunt, penguins return to their colonies, their bellies full of fish and krill. As dusk approaches, penguins gather together for warmth and protection. Love in the cold penguin courtship and family life. Despite the harsh conditions they call home, penguins are known for their strong pair bonds and dedicated parenting. Their courtship rituals, while varying between species, are often elaborate and fascinating displays of affection and commitment. For some species, like emperor penguins, courtship involves elaborate vocalizations and displays of affection. Once a pair bond is formed, it can last for several breeding seasons. Emperor penguins facing the harshest conditions don't build nests at all. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. The circle of life. From egg to adult penguin. The life of a penguin from the moment it hatches to its eventual maturity is a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. Penguin chicks hatch from eggs, blind and covered in downy feathers. As they grow, their downy feathers are replaced by waterproof plumage, preparing them for their first foray into the water. Learning to swim is a crucial milestone for young penguins. With guidance from their parents, chicks gradually gain confidence in the water, eventually venturing out on their own to catch their first meal. Survival in a frozen world, penguin adaptations. Penguins are a testament to the power of evolution, their bodies uniquely adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. One of the most crucial adaptations for survival in cold climates is their dense feather layer. Penguins have more feathers per square inch than any other bird, providing exceptional insulation against the frigid air and water. Their streamlined bodies are another key adaptation for their aquatic lifestyle. Penguins also possess a unique circulatory system that helps them conserve heat. Life for a penguin, even with their remarkable adaptations, is fraught with danger. They face threats from both predators and environmental changes, highlighting the delicate balance of their existence. Leopard seals, with their sleek bodies and powerful jaws, are formidable predators in the penguin's world. Killer whales or orcas pose another significant threat, particularly to penguins swimming in open water. On land, penguin chicks and eggs are vulnerable to predation from skuas, large seabirds with sharp beaks and a taste for penguin young. In addition to predators, penguins face challenges from environmental changes. While natural predators and environmental changes pose significant challenges, human activities have increasingly become a major threat to penguin populations worldwide. Overfishing is a pressing concern, depleting the very food sources that penguins rely on for survival. Pollution in its various forms also takes a toll on penguin populations. Oil spills, chemical runoff, and plastic pollution contaminate their feeding grounds and nesting sites, poisoning individuals and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Penguins can ingest plastic debris, mistaking it for food, leading to starvation and internal injuries. Climate change, driven by human activities, poses perhaps the most significant long-term threat to penguins. Recognizing the plight of penguins, conservation organizations and researchers around the world are working tirelessly to protect these iconic creatures and their fragile habitats. Through a combination of research, education, and policy advocacy, they strive to mitigate human impact and ensure a future for penguins. One crucial aspect of conservation is understanding penguin populations and their needs. Protecting penguin habitats is another key conservation priority. This involves establishing marine protected areas where fishing and other extractive activities are restricted or prohibited, allowing penguin populations to thrive undisturbed. Raising public awareness about the plight of penguins is essential for garnering support for conservation efforts. The future of penguins, those charismatic ambassadors of the Southern Hemisphere, hangs in the balance. We must act now with urgency and compassion to mitigate the threats facing penguins and safeguard their future. Reducing our carbon footprint is paramount. Supporting sustainable fishing practices is crucial. We must become more conscious consumers, minimizing our use of single-use plastics, choosing products with minimal packaging, and supporting companies committed to sustainable practices. By reducing our environmental footprint, we can help create a healthier planet for penguins and all creatures that call it home.